Hi everyone, Azzy here. As you know, PUBG has become a brand game as many people worldwide around are crazy about it. So today let me tell you few tips and tricks. With this you can make a winner chicken dinner easily. So let's without wasting the time move to the game. The first trick is when you have enemies in front of you and you have to kill them without showing your body. You can just lean to an object like tree or something and lean back to the tree. You can see here I'm not showing my body, just my gun scope is moving left or right. You can see here just my gun is moving left side or right side and you can kill the enemies. Just move into your settings, go into the basic and enable the peek and seek option and you can do this. It's a pretty cool trick. The second tip is how to climb a tree. Yes, you can climb a tree. First take a jeep and then search for a tree. Then you can just set your jeep exactly centered to the tree. Just like is shown in the video. Just set the jeep exactly to the center by taking to the left or right. Now just get down from the jeep and just move little back, a little longer back, and move faster, like keep the gun on the back and just move faster and jump on the jeep, and later on jumping to the jeep just move the front of the tree. By moving the front of the tree, then again you can jump on the tree. Try, it will be going, just you to jump exactly. It's not getting here now. Okay, if now it has jumped, now you can tell your friend to take your car or jeep back by in your squad team by telling them to take the jeep or car, as the enemies couldn't know that you are on the tree. So now you can search the enemies on the tree from the top. Even that enemies can't even think that you are on the tree and you can shoot them. Coming on the third tip is the squad kill. If you want to show the enemies to your squad members that where the enemies are, just point out the enemies with your scope and then just tap to the message icon and select enemies ahead, and you can see here it's pointed out, and now the whole squad can see the enemies and kill them together. It's the best tip. Coming on the fourth tip, it's just in settings. Just go into the settings, put on the pickup setting, and you can see the rifle names or the guns with bullets. You can adjust the rifles with the bullets how much you need to pick up, like AKM. If you need 148 bullets, you can keep it, or else press move it long and adjust it to the many. As you can see in the game, if you can see it picks up the 180 bullets and stops picking up the bullets. So you can adjust it in these settings which gun and how many bullets he needs to pick up. Coming on the final tip is how to increase your RP level. Just click on the RP and then click on the mission, and you can see here you have been given the missions and you have to complete them to increase it. So these were some few tips and tricks. And let me tell you one thing also, that you can't only play this game, you can earn from this game. That you will be later on, I'm telling you in the next video. To get the notification, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the next video notification. So please stay safe, stay tuned, and thanks for watching.